Hey guys, welcome to week 8. This is like halfway between our semester, right? So for week 8, you have two things due, which is your assignment 4, and you can either sign up on week 8 or on week 9 for a Zoom meeting. So for your assignment 4 is, let me open it up. You have an article, which is the 2011 Skiggle article, and I have uploaded this article as a PDF because sometimes the links don't work. So you have the article and you are actually going to answer these questions related to that article, and then you are going to choose one of your own articles from the literature review. From your literature search and everything, you're going to choose one article. Make sure you choose a quantitative article or a mixed method study so that you can answer these questions. So you have to answer these questions related to that article. So be smart about it in choosing a quantitative article. And then you're going to upload that article on the Dropbox. And giving me a link that gives me direct access to it, or better say uploading that article on the Dropbox gives you 1 point for the assignment. So if you have any questions on this, please don't hesitate to ask. Here is your chapter 7 outline, the PowerPoint, the video related to it. Here is the Zoom to sign up, and I'm going to adjust the window. As you can see, I've tried to keep some evening times and some lunch times. I will keep adding times. These times are separate from my office times. Like some of them overlap, but these are outside of my office times that I am also available. So if you want to meet during my office times, you're more than welcome to. And we've been out for a week because of the snow. So as things settle down this week, I'll add some more times if I am able to. But here are the times. If something doesn't work, talk to me. But you have to meet either one time, either week 8 or week 9 one time. Yes, either week 8 or week 9 one time. So here is your Zoom meeting, and this is going to be the same Zoom link and meeting spreadsheet for your week 9 also. So let me go back. So here is all that you need for your week 8. Best of luck, and I look forward to actually meeting with you guys to discuss your introduction.